What's up guys, I'm back with another video. We are going on a Sunday ride. Yes, I don't usually ride during weekends, but yeah, I'm riding with another friend of mine, not Manoj. His name is Anjal. He also owns a BS6 Himalayan. Yep, and we are going to Gundamagere Lake. Yeah, Gundamagere Lake. Yeah. So this place, I have no idea where it is. Right now, I'm going to meet this friend of mine, and from there, I'll tell you guys about the location and the stuff like that. All right. And I still have 14 minutes and 12 kilometers more. Man, I feel like I've been riding for about 1 hour, but it's not. It's been only like 30 minutes. I don't know why. But riding through city is not that fun, bro. Even in the morning, I don't like it. And yeah, you can spot a shit ton of riders today. On this road especially. This is going to where? I don't know, Chikbalapura, Dodbalapura. No idea. But I know that this is going to Nandi Hills. I don't usually know the names of these places. I mean, these roads or these highways or anything. But I know which road it is and I know where it leads to. I mean, that's pretty much fine for me. Yeah. I've already seen a couple of riders right now. There was a Domina right behind me. I don't know where he... Oh shit. My bag was open all this time. Yeah. Yeah, there was a Domina right behind me. I don't know where he is. It's good to see that a lot of people are actually into cycling these days. I think it's because of the lockdown effect, and it's good. Thumbs up for that. Hello? Yeah, I guess it is Chikbalapura, not sure. No, it's Dodbalapura. Yeah. Chikbalapura is over that side, towards Chennai and what is that? Chintamani? I may seem like a freaking joker to you guys, but I actually have no idea, bro. Please don't judge me. Yeah, I'm about to reach. I don't see him though. Is that him? Do I see him? Is that a Himalayan? Oh yeah, this is him. Hello bro. എപ്പോ വന്നതാ? കുറച്ചു നേരമായോ? വിളിക്കാതെന്താ? ഓഫ്ലൈനോ? കൊള്ളാം. ആ, എങ്ങോട്ടാ ലൊക്കേഷൻ? ഞാൻ ഇടാം. എന്താ അത്? ഗുണ്ടമ്മഗിരി അങ്ങനെ എന്തോ അല്ലേ അത്? ആ, ഗുണ്ടമഗിരി ലേക്ക്. 42 കിലോമീറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ. ഇവിടെ നേരെയല്ലേ സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് പോയി? അത് നമ്മൾ ഓക്കെ. ആ, കുഴപ്പമില്ല, പോവാം. And if you wonder what language I just spoke there, it's Malayalam. I'm originally from Kerala, if you guys don't know. I'm from Trivandrum, Kerala. Yeah. It's about 40 kilometers from here right now, and it will take us 51 minutes. ETA is 7:19 AM. I know it's a lake, of course it's in the name, but I don't know if it's like really interesting or it's gonna be like really astonishing or it's gonna make me wow. I haven't seen any photos or no videos, nothing like that. It's a fresh new experience. You hear the trucks horn? No, 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 no. 3, 2, 1, move. എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ ആയി വണ്ടിക്ക്? എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ ആയി ടോട്ടൽ? 3600 ആയില്ലേ? ആ എൻ്റെത് എത്രയായി എനിക്കറിയില്ല. 7500 എത്രയെങ്കിലും ആയിക്കാണും. 7500 ആയി. Is this some kind of a forest? I don't know. Looks like it. Oh man. Wait, this place actually looks good. I thought it's not that big of a deal, but it's good. Oh, grapes farm. Yo. Dude. Who thought? Holy crap. I don't know, I'm just too excited, I suppose. Because I'm excited because I thought it's not going to be a big deal, like the view and stuff, but it's actually nice. And that is the reason I'm surprised. Okay, it's a good location, I suppose. Let's see how it is at the lake. We have 4.2 more kilometers. Gundamagere. Okay, it's Gundamagere. Okay. Oh yeah. I was saying Gundamagere. I like this. This is nice. Yo, this is nice. I like it. ഇത് കൊള്ളാലോ. പൊളി. അത് പക്ഷെ മാപ്പിൽ കാണിക്കുന്ന കുറച്ചുകൂടെ മുമ്പിലാണ്. ആ ഇത് കൊള്ളാം. ഞാൻ ഇത്രയൊന്നും പ്രതീക്ഷിച്ചില്ല. അവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് വരുമ്പോഴാണ് ഈ വ്യൂ ഇങ്ങനെ പൊങ്ങി പൊങ്ങി വന്നത്. It is so peaceful. You can hear the water sound. That's so satisfying. Holy crap, look at the clouds. Oh, that is beautiful, as I always say. Okay, so we are going to another view. It's somewhere over. It's still up ahead over there. Okay, so what we are currently doing is we are going for the view up above, the top view. That's what we are looking for. Let's see. Oh, this is taking us back down again. ഇത്ര തന്നെയാണോ? ഓ, മലയാളിയായിരുന്നോ? മേലോട്ടില്ല. അല്ല, ഒരു ടോപ്പ് വ്യൂ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നല്ലോ, അതിനാണ് നമ്മൾ പോയത്.
തിരിഞ്ഞില്ലേ, മെയിൻ റോഡിൽ തിരിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഇങ്ങോട്ട് കയറിയില്ല. അവിടുന്ന് നേരെ പോകണം. നേരെ പോയിട്ട് കുറച്ചങ്ങ് കഴിഞ്ഞ് മകാലിദുർഗന്റെ മേലേക്ക് വരുന്ന വഴിയുണ്ട്.
ഓ,
വണ്ടി
പോയില്ലെങ്കിൽ വേണ്ട,
നടന്ന് തന്നെ കയറണം. ഞങ്ങൾ ചുമ്മാ ഇച്ചിരി ഫിഷിങ്ങും പരിപാടിയായിട്ടൊക്കെ.
കിട്ടിയോ അല്ലേ ഫിഷൊക്കെ?
ആ, കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഴ്ച കൊണ്ട് കിട്ടിയായിരുന്നു. ഒരു 10-12 കിട്ടി പോകുന്നു. ബാക്കി തന്നെ
ഓ, How's it? ആ ക്ലൗഡ്സ് പൊളിയാണല്ലോ. അതെന്താ മൂണാണോ സണ്ണാണോ ഇത്?
സണ്ണാണ്. ടൈമൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞു.
ചെറുതായിട്ട് കാണും, അതാണ് ഞാൻ ചോദിച്ചത്. Again, this looks beautiful. I didn't think the view would be so good. Nice. Time lapse എടുത്താലോ? Time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse and everything. So yeah, you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.